buko ngayon eh.
Wala, answer ka. Especially congratulations, of course, and happy ako na, ayan, nakikita ka na this milestone. Sobrang happy ako as your friend, and also, ano ba, wala akong masabing ibang hindi congratulations, and we're here to support you always.
Thank you so much. Parang ito pala pakiramdam ng debut, no? Never ako nag-debut so today is the day. So thank you.
Alright. Ito po, no, bagong pasok lang po na tanong. I think because sa sobrang punuan po at medyo mahirap for me gumalaw, I've been handed question directly for Sir Aaron, of course. The question is, what should we, including the general public here right now, expect from White Castle Whiskey in the future? Any upcoming products, campaigns, or events that something we should look forward to?
Hi everyone. Sorry. I'm Aidan Limao. I'm the Executive Vice President of Distillery in Guapo. First of all, I'd like to say First of all, I'd like to say that I'd like to thank Ashley for doing this for us. She's really the embodiment of the White Castle. Ang ganda na song niya. I feel like such a casual person here na ako dito. But yun, expectations from the brand. I mean, like, and since in 2020, we've really been trying to use our platform. Sinusubukan namin gamitin yung platform of White Castle as a means to get out a message. Right now, our message is more on how to find joy in the lighter moments. So parang that's why we have our White Castle, like we go to our social media pages. It's really more about para having fun in everyday life. So we find the most mundane things and we make light of it. So that's what we're trying to do. Previously we tackled more serious issues. But right now, kasi we're like we realize naman na not everything has to be serious. Sometimes people resonate with something more simple and more relatable. So yun, we're all about having fun now, and that's what you can expect from the brand. In terms of new product launches, syempre secret pa yun, hindi ko masasabi. So right now, that's all I can say. We're going to continue to champion being lighthearted and being fun.
Alright, thank you so much. Be light and fun. I think that is one of the most mantras, of course, White Castle this coming 2026. Of course, Ashley is a perfect representation of that. Sir, we have a question for you. Introduce yourself, and who is your question for?
I'm Joseph Villoko, just doing some social media. My follow-up question to that one. So, what's your vision? Why did you select Ashley? What makes Ashley the perfect calendar girl for 2026? Ano yung vision niyo po?
Okay, well, first I'd like to think that we probably chose each other, no? Kasi she really wanted it. We really wanted to have somebody like her. I think the universe conspired and brought us together. So that's the first thing, no? Next is she has a good following on social media. We actually follow her. We see her content, and it really connects with what we're trying to show with our brand also. So yeah, those are the two main things. No? Baka Ashley wants to add something there.
Kinikilig na po ako, parang umiyak na nga ako.
Perfect, by the way.
Happy birthday.
Perfect ang ginamit na natin. Perfect.
Please, paki-note perfect.
Go ahead, Ashley. What can you say about that?
Tama nga naman. Siguro nga, since ako yung nagsabi, diba, minanifest, like I said, minanifest ko. And I was really specific with what I wanted. And I'm so lucky na napili ako, of course, ng White Castle. Kasi marami namang pwedeng magpilian. But I'm so lucky that they really trusted me. And hindi ko siya ma-absorb. Honestly, hindi ko ma-absorb. Ang taray, may mga pastani pang ganyan. Like, I can't believe this is all happening. And I feel so flattered. And really, thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Alright, maya pwede mo na yung uwihan.
Iuwi ko lahat yan. Oh my
Kung meron ko nang iuwi dyan sa dalawa na yan, na standing, alin ang iuwi mo?
Pareho, lalagay ko sa labi ng condo namin. Mamumay silang lahat.
Alright, very good. Sorry, at this point, may I please show a raise of hands kung meron po mga magtatanong kasi it will take time for me to go to the other side. Alright, so 1, 2. Alright, I'll go there in a bit. I have another question here, sir. to. How do you think Ashley reflects the brand's objectives and values of White Castle Whiskey?
Well, naghahanap ako na answer na hindi ko nabigay, no? Kasi parang medyo aligned na yung questions. But I think it's really more of her just being herself. And being herself is really what aligns with us because we really want to be truly authentic and truly an engaging and fun brand. So I think just being herself, that's really how she aligns with our brand also.
Alright, being authentic and being true to yourself. Totoo naman, sinabi rin ni
That was my answer about that.
Oo, ayan, sinabi ni Jeff kanina. Alright, question of course, who is the question directed to?
Of course, kay Ashley. Hi Ashley, I'm John Bueno from Kumakaw.com. Congratulations on your recent, of course, this endorsement is pretty big. When this was presented to you the first time, how did you feel? And can you tell us what did you do the day after? Who was the first person that you told this one to?
My mom.
Ah,
Yeah.
she's here?
She's here. Oo, talagang uwi siya para dito.
Pwede po bang tumayo of course, Ms. Rivera? Can you please
The
stand
very
up?
beautiful.
Ayan, they're very beautiful.
Mommy
Ngayon pa kayo magiging
May
shy.
alam mo, may mga followers na rin.
May followers
Pinost
na.
ko siya. Oo, natutuwa na ang mga netizens kay Mother Dear. Oo, naisali ng tama lahat ng ng kabaliwan. But anyways, when I found out, actually, nagulat talaga ako. Nagulat ako kasi sabi ko, wow, may pahabol pa. Before the year ends. So, umabot ako sa deadline. Sabi ko, maganda naman ang Christmas gift na to. So, nung sinabi na, yun nga, ako yung napili, and then we started, they started sharing nga yung storyboard and yung gusto nilang mangyari na layout, and I was so happy kasi ang sosyal, nasa ranch kami, may kabayo, it's very classic. So, sobrang, wala akong masabi, speechless. I was really speechless and super excited.
I've seen the layouts that you've done. One of them was actually when you were on top of the actual horse.
Yes.
But right now, we're not seeing that. Will that be
Virtual DJ.
Will that be eventually used, sir? I'm not the DJ, but that's there. Okay. Will those materials be used on other things that you plan to release for a person?
So actually these four are the official ones that we'll be printing. But we're actually releasing a lot of the photos also online on our social media pages. Even yung mga first ones na nakita naman natin.
Yes.
Yung apat na very, very fun layouts. Isasama rin natin yun.
And also yung mga BTS may magkakaroon ba?
Yes. So we have BTS videos. For photos, not so much, but more videos.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll have a series also of fun video content also that we did. Sayang naman, where we're working with Ashley. Like, you don't do video content where she's truly herself. Then we're missing out also.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much. Hello? Hello, ayan. So just to clarify po, hindi lang po ito nagtatapos yung partnership of course with White Castle Whiskey. Meron pa tayong inaabangan po na more content from both of you, correct?
Yes.
Alright, so guys, of course, what better way than to mark your calendars with the White Castle 2026 calendars of upcoming event. We have a question here, yes?
Hi, I'm Floyd from Malplay.com. This is for Ashley, kasi nga, di ba, since nasabi mo na parang naging sign yung pag-recreate yung i-describe na, na tumatakbo without white horse. So, with this one, kasi meron ka ng picture or picture with the horse, meron din ba kami maasahan na parang i-recreate mo, kahit hindi lang sa tabi ng beach, kahit lang sa ranch yung pagsakay mo ng kabayo with the White Castle.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, gusto kong isipin na sobrang sexy ko doon. Pero nang nakita ko yung BTS, yung iba, mukha akong lechon na pinatong doon sa kabayo. Tapos talagang super ganun ako, di ba, bought out. Pero, titignan natin. May ilalabas tayong mga ibang content. Pero, yun lang, yung BTS na nakapatong ako doon. Pero, even if gusto ko sana yung tumatakbo, hindi siya possible. So, steady lang yung course.
Good afternoon, Ashley, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Among the posters that you have right now, ano yung pinaka-paborito mo?
My favorite layout?
Yes.
Honestly, lahat eh. Kasi iba-iba yung atake, parang iba-iba yung flavor. But, to be honest, ito talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko. Yung cowgirl, di ba? Kaya nga, dyan ko nakuha din yung inspiration for the performance kanina. Sabi ko, ito rin yung pinaka-plakado na layout for me. So, yun naman, yung isa, gusto ko rin siya kasi feeling ko kumuha ko si Miss Maria Rivera. Medyo haggard lang yung horse, pero di ba na yung horse yung haggard at isa ko hindi fresh. So, ayan. Ganda!
Alright, congratulations.
Alright, we have another question here, please.
Hello Ashley, congratulations. Sa dalawang subjects na, ano yung pinaka-favorite mo na hinahalo or on the rocks lang ba?
Dahil matapang po tayo on the rocks tayo. Lalaban tayo. Ganun ka, puro and clean lang. So, if you ask me, my favorite is White Castle lang. Para light lang, you know. Kasi pinig tayo, pang-extra small, but light lang.
Ay sir naman, ano yung suggest mo na parang yung chill lang talaga kasi ano ko kaya ng ano on the rocks. Yung pwedeng ihalo na tamang chill lang for
Okay. For us, we really formulated White Castle to be a very check. Yeah. So gusto talaga namin ihalo mo siya. Okay, for me the best is whatever juice is available. You can use orange, you can use pineapple, you can use any soda, a cola or a lemon lime soda, you can use both. So yeah, para sa akin, yung way na ginawa namin sa very versatile siya. Actually, marami pang kayang gawin na drinks. Meron kami sa social media also ng mga cocktail recipes. Currently, yung favorite ko ngayon, nag-launch kami ng bagong ginger ale. So, inahalo ko lang siya sa ginger ale. And it's quite good. Kung gusto mo naman i-balance, so if you want something light for a mommy like yourself, pwede mo naman nagtagal na yung mixer, bawasan mo na yung alak. Pero kung masyadong konti, baka hindi nagubalaw yung product.
Alright, can I please have a raise of hands on this side? Kung meron pa po magtatanong to any of our two lovely guests here on stage. Meron pa po ba? Here on this side. What about the other side? Do we have more questions that we want to entertain for this afternoon? I'm seeing more members of our press arriving. Hello. Alright. Habang wala pa, we have another question here directed, of course, Sir Leon. The White Castle Whiskey has been riding on their unique campaign concepts, especially for their yearly calendar releases since 2021. Now, ang katanungan po, would this be a recurring strategy for the brand in the coming years?
Well, mahirap mag-promise that it will be a recurring thing. As long as the people resonate with it, as long as binibili ba siya ng then we can continue to have this kind of calendar. But yeah, parang so for me, as long as the market accepts, then tutuloy lang namin. Pero so far, magandang reception namin. I think people are really, Filipinos in general, are really light-hearted in their nature. So right now, talagang maganda pa ang reception so far.
Alright, so I think there's more to come in the coming years of this strategy. Once again, I'd like to call on, if there are more questions to be asked, please raise your hands to our members of the press kung meron pa po magtatanong. Yung mga bagong dating po, meron pa po ba? Meron pa? Okay. We have another one here. Ito.
Hi Ashley! Hi! Sobrang funny yung mga videos mo. So, curious lang din ako. So, first of all, ano mga beauty routine mo, beauty secrets? Tapos, since mga funny mga videos mo, where do you get your ideas for your videos? Tapos, naturally funny ka ba talaga? Tapos, parang how do you deal with, syempre ngayon, may mga, kasi di ba pag funny ka, parang minsan open ka din sa mga bashing, yung mga hirit-hirit. So, how do you deal with that? Do you block agad or do you reply? Ganyan.
Ako ang dami, wait lang. So, doon tayo sa naturally funny. Feeling ko naman naturally funny ako. When I So even in the smallest things, I find humor in them. And it's something because I really try to create or produce content that are very relatable. So yung mga hindi mo masyadong naiisip, or napapansin ko lang, tapos gagawin ko siya kasi alam ko marami makaka-relate. Or kahit sobrang random lang, hindi ko nga rin alam paano ko naiisip yun. Random lang din siya. Tapos may mga times na nagkaka-creative block din ako, yun yung mga times na alam ko hindi ako funny. Fun fact, na-share ko na rin ito before, may mga videos ako na umiiyak ako. Most of the time, mga 90% of the time, totoong galing akong breakdown nun. Tapos natatawa ako sa sarili ko, sa arte ko. Tapos sasabihin ko, sayang yung luha, gawin natin content to, i-monetize natin itong luha ko. Diba? Para masaya, lahat masaya. And then, ano nga ba ulit?
Sa mga bashers.
Sa mga bashers. Luckily, since I am a comedian, I get away with a lot of stuff. So, hindi na lang matansya minsan kung ako ba totoo yung sinasabi ko o hindi, or kung nangaasar lang ako. So, it really depends on my mood din, kung papatulan ko in a funny way lang din. Or if not, it's easy to block. So, I protect my peace and I don't think needed yung ganang klaseng negative energy from bashers. So, yeah.
Beauty secrets.
Beauty secrets, actually, more on, dasal lang. Oo. Dasal, magandang diet, ganon, good sleep, and skincare. Oo. So, magmula nang mauso yung mga, dati kasi facial wash lang ako. So, ngayon, facial wash, isama nila natin feminine wash, charot na.
Water.
Mga serum, mga ganon, moisturizer, yan, yung mga kaartehan.
Ay, sorry. Dasal, so malapit na kayo, no?
Oo, sabi ni Lord, dahil mabait ka pa, i-bless kita ng kagandahan.
Prayer reveal naman.
Oo. Isasama kita dun sa ano.
Ipagdarasal ka daw ni Ashley.
Oo.
Tsaka doon nakakama ng Ash, nakakatulong din talaga sa skin yung moderate drinking ng White Castle.
Oo.
Tama ba? Ikaw, often do you drink ba?
Ginagawa kong toner din eh.
Huwag naman. Huwag naman. Alright, that being said, I think I have a last question here. Again, last call for any more. We have 2 more. Okay, sige. We'll entertain last 3 questions before we wrap up our Q&A with our friends here this afternoon.
Actually, habol ko lang. Kasi you are right now the White Castle calendar girl. Now, I would like to ask you, what is your idea of the perfect White Castle guy?
Hirap naman. Oh my gosh, thank you for that wonderful question. Feeling ko nasa Miss Universe ako. Can you repeat that question?
What's your idea of the perfect White Castle guy? I mean, the perfect guy for you.
The perfect, prince. Are you talking about a prince? Wait, ano?
Guy.
Guy.
Yes.
Perfect guy. Okay, Prince Charming. Syempre dun tayo sa emotionally intelligent. I've already said that I want to be seen, heard, valued, understood. So dati kasi napaka-ano ko tawag dito, yung superficial, yung gusto ko pogi, ganyan, di ba? Kaya lang nasasaktan lang din ako. So dun tayo sa mabait ang puso and also a good heart and a good soul. So that's for me the perfect time.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so
Parang
much.
hindi ka naniniwala sa sagot ko. Sabi, parang masyado kang passive dun sa sagot ko. Okay, plus kung pogi na may na magandang katawan, ganun.
Alright, ayun yung pinahanap niya, Jeff. Are you taking down notes? Okay, up next. Ito, question niya.
Hello, Ashley. I'm Dante Lagana, Daddy Speaks. Yes, my question is, what does being a White Castle Whiskey Calendar girl mean to you?
It means everything to me. Like I said, I'm very grateful. Actually, this whole event, sa totoo lang, sobrang na-pressure po ako. Kasi syempre na-launch na rin yung ibang mga calendar girls. And I wanted to show everyone that I deserve to be the 2026 White Castle calendar girl. So this endorsement is really close to my such a smooth and fun ride for me kasi napakabait and napaka-professional ng buong team. And it doesn't feel like work at all. And I'm so happy with the outcome. It's so nice and masaya ako. I'm so excited ako na makita rin yung mga magandang photos namin sa billboard. Parang, yes, another dream come true. So,
Okay, may follow-up question. What's the most challenging part of being a calendar girl of White Castle Whiskey? The challenging part.
yung pinaka-challenging po yung pag-akit ko po sa kabayo. Opo. Na kailangan sexy ako, na kailangan hindi ako nahihirapan. Yung mukha ko na hindi ako parang hirap na hirap sa ginagawa ko. So kailangan naka-aura pa rin. But yung napaka-bago yung ng challenge na yun. Kasi, like I said, it's napaka-dali lang. Everything has been so light and easy and harmonious.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin sa inyo. And of course, Ashley for answering those simple and some of them very complicated questions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's of course make this a once-in-a-lifetime moment because we have special guests joining them here on stage for a once-in-a-lifetime photo. Masigabong palakpakan po sa mga napaka-alindog na aktres at modelo ng Pilipinas, and they have paved the way for, of course, Ashley to be here on stage this afternoon. Please welcome Evangeline Pascual and Pech Andanar.